Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I'll show you how you can enable your ringtone volume. So at the first you have to simply tap on the settings icon. When you are here you have to scroll down and find sound. Next you have to find your ringtone volume. So here it is. And as you can see, if you want to enable, just make it like that. And the same if you want to disable. So enable like that. Disable like that. When you are using the volume keys, you can only change the media volume. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.